Spotify Premium. Let's start. Are you also trying to get Spotify Premium for free? If yes, stop scrolling. Today I'll reveal the secret nobody tells you about Spotify and those modded apps. It sounds tempting, but the truth is darker than you think. Quick reality check. Modded apps promise free premium, but they're often bundles of malware, trackers, or phishing tools. Installing one can steal your data, drain your battery, or even brick your phone. And those are the best case scenarios. Worst case, your accounts get compromised and you lose money and privacy. Think about your favorite song for a second. A single track often takes months. Writers, producers, session musicians, mixing and mastering engineers, and countless hours to make. When you stream for free with someone else stealing access, those people don't get paid. If everyone expected everything free, platforms and creators would have no way to fund new music, and the music you love would slowly disappear. If something costs money and someone's giving it free, ask, who's paying the price? Often it's your privacy, your device security, or the creators. If it's free, usually you are the product. Want premium without risky mods? Here are legal ways. Use Spotify's free plan, ad-supported. It's safe and legal. Take advantage of official trials and promos when Spotify runs them. Student discounts, huge savings if you qualify. Family plan, split the cost with friends/family. Bundles, sometimes phone carriers or services include Spotify deals. Low-cost alternatives, YouTube Music, Amazon Music, or ad-supported services if you want variety. I get it, premium is tempting, but choose the safe route. Protect your phone, respect creators, and enjoy music without the risk. If you want, I'll show you how to spot scammy apps and how to find legit discounts. Hit like and subscribe, and tell me which artist you'd never stream without paying for. Want a guide to the best legit Spotify deals right now? Comment below. See you next video.